As technology continues to evolve, educators are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance student engagement in the classroom. One such solution is the all-in-one interactive flat panel, a powerful tool that combines the best of traditional teaching methods with cutting-edge technology to create an immersive learning experience for students. Interactive flat panels are not just ordinary screens, they're designed specifically for educational purposes. With multi-touch capabilities, students can collaborate on projects, share their ideas, and work together more effectively. This hands-on approach encourages active participation and fosters a sense of community within the classroom. The all-in-one interactive flat panel also offers a wealth of built-in educational resources, such as lesson plans, quizzes, and multimedia content. Teachers can easily access these materials, customize them to suit their teaching style, and present them to students in an engaging manner. This not only saves time but also ensures that the learning materials are relevant and up-to-date. One of the most significant benefits of using an interactive flat panel in the classroom is the ability to incorporate various forms of media, such as videos, images, and audio files. This multimedia approach caters to different learning styles, ensuring that every student has an equal opportunity to grasp the subject matter. By making lessons more dynamic and visually appealing, students are more likely to remain engaged and retain information. Lastly, the all-in-one interactive flat panel promotes a more eco-friendly and cost-effective learning environment. By eliminating the need for traditional paper materials, such as textbooks and handouts, schools can significantly reduce their carbon footprint and save on resources. Furthermore, the ease of updating digital content ensures that students always have access to the most current information. In conclusion, the all-in-one interactive flat panel is a game-changer in the world of education. By providing a more engaging, collaborative, and multimedia-rich learning experience, students are more likely to stay focused and succeed in the classroom. With its numerous benefits, it's no wonder that schools around the world are embracing this powerful teaching tool.